Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ankita's Glam World. So, I hope you all are doing good. तो मैं आज वापस आई हूँ एक अच्छे और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ. सो बेसिकली हम लोग हमेशा अपने स्किन की केयर करते ही है. वी अप्लाई लॉट ऑफ फेस पैक्स और आवर डेली क्लीन अप रूटीन्स और द फेशियल रूटीन्स. तो मैंने सोचा दैट वाई कांट वी ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ आवर हेयर द सेम वे. आई एम श्योर कि काफ़ी लोग लेते होंगे, पर मेरा जो हेयर केयर रूटीन है उसमें से एक है इज द हेयर स्पा विच आई यूजुअली डू. तो वही मेरा रूटीन था. सो आई वॉज गोइंग टू डू माई हेयर स्पा. सो आई थॉट दैट आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइज द वीडियो ऑन दैट एंड मैं क्या यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड मेरे हेयर कैसे बाद में हो रहे हैं वो देखने के लिए मेरे साथ ज़रूर जुड़े रहिए एंड ऑफ द वीडियो तक to see the amazing results which I get after doing hair spa. तो उसके लिए मैं यूजुअली जो ब्रांड का क्रीम यूज करती हूँ दैट इज फ्रॉम SSCPL. दिस इज अ हर्बल ब्रांड, अ वेरी गुड ब्रांड. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ब्रांड and maybe the last brand which I'm basically using for my hair spa, which gives me amazing results. So iske liye this is basically a scalp repair and an anti dandruff range. Okay, so they have I think more ranges in that, but for my hair the scalp repair which gives proper nourishment and protection to my hair, so this is I thought is very apt for my hair because it also gives the moisture, the hydration which the scalp needs and the hair needs. So basically this is a cream bath. Okay, it's written as a cream bath. So this is from the brand SSCPL, and with this basically there's a concentrate which is in a form of an oil. So basically they have both the things. Okay, it is obviously optional if you want to buy, but then I would recommend that you take both of it. So it will give you a nice shine and a complete repair which your hair needs. So let us see how to apply it step by step, and let's start the video. So let's start the hair spa. So I'm taking a comb, a normal comb which you usually use, and then section your hair into two parts. So make sure that you section it nicely. And after sectioning, if the hair, you have to wet your hair. So I'm basically going to use a water spray. You can also wash your hair before starting this, but just in case if you don't want to do that, you can use a water spray. Make sure that the hair is nicely wet. So I'm going to apply the mix which we had prepared for hair spa with the help of a brush. You can even use your fingers for that. So you have to apply this the way you apply oil. So जैसे सेक्शन करके आप ऑयल का अप्लाई करते हो वैसे ही you have to apply this in small sections. So you can see how the sectioning I'm doing and applying it. Make sure that you apply this way on the whole scalp. The whole scalp should be properly applied with the mix. So the whole scalp is done. For the hair, you have to take few strands of your hair and then apply it with the help of your fingers. You take the strand and start from the roots till the end of your hair. Make sure that you properly apply it till the end of your hair. So this is how you have to apply it all over your hair this way. Nicely it should be applied on each and every strand of your hair. So here I've applied it all over, and the next thing or the next step is going to be taking steam all over. So I'm using a normal steam machine. Make sure that your hair gets proper steam. The scalp, this is how you have to use the steam machine. Make sure that the whole scalp, everywhere, there's a proper steam which you get. So this like around 5 to 10 minutes.
After around 20 to 30 minutes, you have to wash your hair with normal water. That's maybe a lukewarm or little hot water,
you can take
whichever you're comfortable
anybody
with.
At your place.
So
and then tie your
later
hair.
on, you are supposed to do shampoo. Okay, so whichever shampoo you are regularly using, you are supposed to wash your hair with the shampoo. But I would recommend that you wash your hair with the shampoo on the next day. अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है या अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, so on the same day or maybe while washing with water, after that you can wash it with the shampoo as well. But I would recommend that for better and nice results, you wash your hair with the shampoo on the next day. So I have washed my hair on the next day, so you can see how beautiful and how soft, silky, shiny my hair is looking, and I am really in love with my hair. Of course, I do love my hair, but then after doing the spa, I love it even more. So I would recommend that you do this kind of a treatment, okay, for your hair. So basically I do this every month. I try that I can do and give a nice nourishment, protection, a nice shine to my hair every month. But just in case you all have extreme dry hair, you can also do twice a month, but then I basically do it once a month. And any product, of course, you can use for the hair spa, but this is my favorite, okay, the one and only one brand which I have used till now, and I would actually continue with this brand because I really loved it. And you can see the difference, the immediate difference, which I can say you can see it on the next day or on the same day itself. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to take care of your hair, and I hope you liked this video, this tutorial. So let me know in the comments how did you find this, and stay healthy, be happy, and see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye, see you.